How to add payment method on Oculus app. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, launch your MetaQuest application right here and make sure that you have already logged in to your account. Now tap on this 3 lines menu icon on the bottom right corner. Now go to Settings. Okay, now tap on Payment Methods under Settings right here. Okay, here we go. Now over here you'll be given 2 options. You can either add your PayPal account or add credit or debit card. Now if you tap on Add PayPal, okay, let's wait for a while until the page is loading. Okay, now over here you have to add your personal details linked to your PayPal account and then simply tap on Next. Now if you tap on Add Credit or Debit Card, over here you have to add your credit or debit card's number, your CVV code, your expiry date, your zip code and select a country. Then at last, entering all these details, just tap on Add and you'll successfully be able to add payment method on Oculus. So that's all for today, and at last, don't forget to like and subscribe.